Well, I just got to work and there was a box for me. I think my coworkers are kind of getting annoyed with these boxes, but previously on me wanting to be an RC car racer, I still almost have my car picked out for racing. But previously, like I said, I squirreled. I got that little rock crawler. And well, I've been watching more YouTube videos, going on Facebook, and seeing there's all kinds of groups popping up. So, yeah, that's right. I got a new car, an Element Gatekeeper buggy. Now, in the real world, rock crawling's pretty fun, but I can't afford one, and well, I have nowhere to store one anyways. So, this rock crawling stuff is going to be my new fun hobby. I know there's two versions of this. There's the ready to run and the ready to run combo that comes with the LiPo and battery charger. I do own a battery charger, a balanced charger from previous RC cars back in a decade ago. So I figured I just need the ready to run version, and I ordered a couple batteries. But there's a lot of informative information on the box alone. But I am excited to see what's in this box, because I like toys. It came factory sealed, so I got a screwdriver instead of a knife to pop it open. One, two, three, 4, 5, and 6. Uh-oh, I got a door open. May have opened it from the wrong side. But here's the controller. Battery. Plastic, little foam steering wheel. Lots of knobs that I gotta learn. And here's the manual so I can learn it. I gotta read it. I'm not gonna do what I usually do and just put batteries in and try to turn it on. There's this little plastic thing, not sure what it is. But where's that car? Let's move that out of the way. Uh-oh, see the buggy. There is parts and a manual and stickers. Oh. And here's the reveal. Look at this thing. Ooh, tires. All right, look at this beast. Wow. Dun, dun, dun. All right, well, that thing is even cooler than it looks on TV or YouTube. Fly over. All right, I'm gonna put this stuff back in the box, take it home, and get back to work because I'm on my lunch break.